Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by single click on the side key I can use the flashlight. By double click we can launch the Play Store application, and by long press we can use the YouTube application. And now just to change or just to turn off all of these features, so we should go to the settings application, then tap here to easy key, and here we can see the single double click and long press just switch all of those features to none. Okay, by this way, and long press also switch to easy shadow and to none. And now we can see by single, by double click, and also by long press of the side key here we can just anymore use any applications or features. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.